How to buy crypto on eToro. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can buy crypto on eToro. So in order to buy crypto on eToro, first thing first, you'll need to go ahead and check your internet connection. Now then, to begin with, open up a browser and then log in into your eToro account. If you're using an application, that either way the procedure is going to remain the same. So after that, you're logged into your account. This is going to direct you to the home page, and this is how the interface is going to look like. So in order to buy crypto on eToro, all you have to do is, first thing first, you need to go ahead and select the particular cryptocurrency that you wish to purchase. So I'm going to go with this following one. So after that, it's going to show you the information right over here. And also, before you buy any sort of cryptos, make sure that you have enough funds. After you've done that, you'll be taken to the info page. So here, go ahead and tap the trade icon located in the top right hand side corner. As soon as you have done that, you'll be able to see a pop-up menu right in center. Here, you'll be asked to enter in the exact amount of cryptos that you wish to purchase. And under it, you can see there are different fields as well. So you can go through it and make some changes as well. And then click the buy button located right at the bottom. As soon as you click the buy button, next page, it's going to take you to the other interface where you'll need to confirm all of the information that you've provided. So if you're sure about the confirmation, then click the confirm button. Also make sure that you have already linked your bank account. After you've done that, you've successfully bought crypto on eToro. So in this way, you can buy crypto on eToro. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.